Hello students, we are going to discuss about recycle, bypass and purging problem continuation. Second problem, in the synthesis of methanol, fresh feed containing 32% CO, 64% hydrogen and 4% inert, all percentages are volume percentage, is mixed with the recycle feed. Mixed feed entering the reactor result in 20% per pass conversion of CO. That is, percentage conversion of CO is equal to 20. Product stream from the reactor is fed to a condenser where all methanol formed gets condensed and the gases from the condenser are recycled. So unreacted gases is called as a recycle feed. In order to prevent buildup of inerts in the recycle loop, a small portion of the gases leaving the condenser is continuously purged. If the mixed feed contains 15 mole percentage inerts, calculate first question recycle ratio, second question purge ratio, third one combined feed ratio. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes. What is the basis of this problem? Basis of this problem, the total percentages are 100%. 32 plus 64 plus 4, totally 100%. Directly we are going to take 100 kilomole per hour fresh feed. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here this is the basis of the problem. So this is the purging operation and the recycle operation problem. So you should draw the block diagram. So as per the problem, the fresh feed containing 32% CO, 64% hydrogen, 4% inert. So this is sent into reactor. So the mixer feed contains 15 mole percentage inert, rest of the percentage so contain CO and hydrogen. So this is sent to the reactor. So outlet of the reactor sent into the condenser. Purpose of the condenser, so the vapor is converted into liquid. Liquid methanol is collected. So non-condensable gases are recycled, that is called capital R. So the recycle feed combined with fresh feed entering into the reactor as a mixed feed. So avoid buildup of inerts in the recycle loop, a small portion of the gases leaving the condenser continuously purged. So here purge is equal to P. So let capital M or M P be the kilomole per hour of fresh feed, recycle feed, mixed feed and purge feed. Okay. This is the procedure we are going to use to calculate purge ratio, recycle ratio and combined feed ratio. CO in the fresh feed, this is a given data, 32%. So all percentages are volume percentage. Volume percentage is equal to mole percentage. So here CO in the fresh feed 32 kilomole per hour, hydrogen in the fresh feed 64 kilomole per hour, inerts in the fresh feed 4 kilomole per hour. These are the given data. So one more data are given, inerts in the mixed feed 15% inert. So 15% inerts is present in the mixed feed. So here how much mixed feed we don't know. So the capital M is a mixed feed. From capital M, 15% inerts is present. What is the meaning? 0.15 times of capital M, kilomole per hour. So the 15% inerts is present in capital M mean, what about the rest of the percentage? Total percentage 100. So here 15 mean remaining 85% other gases are present in the mixed feed. What are the other gases? CO and hydrogen. CO plus H2 in the mixed feed is equal to 0.85 times of m kilomole per hour. Are you clear or not? Okay, these are the given data. So this is the overall material balance for recycle operation. Capital M is equal to F plus R. This is the first expression. Second equation, capital M is equal to, what is the F? 100 plus R. So the percentage conversion is given in our problem. So we have to use the percentage conversion formula here. So what is the use of percentage conversion formula here? We want to calculate how much CO and H2 unreacted. Why? Because unreacted values is equal to recycled feed. So that purpose only we have to use here percentage conversion formula. What is the formula? Percentage conversion is equal to CO plus H2 reacted divided by CO plus H2 mixed feed into 100. Are you clear or not? Okay. Percentage conversion is equal to 20. CO plus H2 reacted divided by, what is CO plus H2 mixed feed? This is the given data. 15% inerts means remaining percentage other gases are present. CO plus H2 0.85 times of M into 100. So from this, CO plus H2 reacted is equal to 0.20 times of 0.85 capital M. Are you clear or not? Okay. So we want to use material balance. CO plus H2 feed in mixed feed is equal to CO plus H2 reacted plus CO plus H2 unreacted. So here CO plus H2 feed in mixed feed is known, CO plus H2 reacted is known. So the substitute this value, find out CO plus H2 unreacted. So here finally we get 0.68 capital M kilomole. Are you clear or not? Okay. So but from the condenser, what are the gases are leaving from the condenser as a non-condensable gases? CO, H2 inerts leaving the condenser. These are the gases are non-condensable gases. So here CO plus H2 unreacted 0.68 M. So this is leaving from the condenser. So one more components are leaving from the condenser, that is inert. So the how much inerts is present in the mixed feed? 0.15 M. So the inerts entering is equal to inerts leaving. Inerts does not involve in a reaction. So 0.15 times of M. Are you clear? Okay. So these are the components are leaving from the condenser. Totally CO plus H2 plus inerts leaving from the condenser 0.83 M kilomole. Are you clear or not? Okay. So the mole percentage of inerts leaving the condenser. We want to calculate purge value. We have to concentrate only the inerts. Why? Because the inerts only remove from the condenser, avoid the build-up of inerts. Why? Because suppose inerts present more than tolerance level, what will happen here? So to reduce the percentage conversion in a reactor. Are you clear or not? Okay. So that purpose only we have to concentrate only the inerts. So the mole percentage of inerts leaving the condenser is equal to mole percentage means individual mole divided by total mole. What about the individual moles of inerts? 0.15 times of M divided by the total mole means 0.83 times of M into 100. So from that finally we get mole percentage of inert gas leaving the condenser 18.07%. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here we want to calculate how much purge feed, that is a capital P value. We have to write material balance of inerts. Inerts in purge is equal to inerts in fresh feed. Why? Because inerts does not involve in any reaction. So the inerts entering is equal to leaving. So the inerts in fresh feed 4 kilomole. Already this is a given data. So the same kilomoles are leaving from the condenser. The inerts in purge. So the mole percentage of inert gas is equal to individual mole divided by total mole into 100. So here mole percentages already we know 18.07. Individual mole 4 kilomole. Total mole we don't know. That is a total P. we want to calculate the total P value into 100. So from that finally we get 22.15 kilomole per hour. This is the purge feed. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes. So here we want to write the material balance of gas leaving the condenser. Gas is leaving the condenser is equal to gas purged plus gas recycled. Why? Because from the condenser avoid the buildup of inerts. Fraction of inerts are leaving from the condenser. Then non-condensable gases also leaving from the condenser. Non-condensable gases is called as a recycle feed, is right. So here gas leaving the condenser is equal to gas purged plus gas recycled. So leaving the condenser, the total value 0.83 capital M is equal to gas purged mean 22.14 plus gas recycled capital R. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes. Then we want to calculate capital R, capital M value. So that's why we have to write a material balance of inerts. Inerts in fresh feed plus inerts in recycled feed is equal to inerts in mixer feed. Yeah. So inerts in mixer feed 0.15 times of M is equal to inerts in fresh feed 4 kilomole plus inerts in recycled feed 18.07 percentage. So here 0.1807 times of capital R. So general expression capital M is equal to 100 plus R. We have the expression. Take these two expressions, solve the above equation. Finally we get capital R is equal to 358.3 kilomole per hour. So here we have the overall material balance. Capital M is equal to F plus R. Here substitute the capital F value and R value. Capital F is already known. This is a feed value 100. Capital R is a calculated value from the above expression. Finally we get capital M is equal to 458.3 kilomole per hour. Our question is the recycle ratio and the purge ratio. Then combined feed ratio, if you want, you go to calculate capital M by F. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here recycle ratio capital R by F 3.60. Purge ratio P by R 0.06. 62 or 63 is right. Yeah. So here recycle ratio means once you know the capital R and F value, so divide these two values, you get the recycle ratio value. So the purge ratio means if you know the capital P and R, substitute here, find out the answer purge ratio. Are you clear or not? Okay. So if you want combined feed ratio, what is the formula for combined feed ratio? Capital M by F. If you know capital M and F value, so divide these two values, finally we get combined feed ratio or mixer feed ratio. Are you clear? Okay. Thank you for your attention.